Kiran.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
Good, ma'am.
You're good.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Okay, this is Aruna from Quality Department, Kiran. I just want to take a feedback interview from your side. So, congratulations for your placements, Kiran.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Can you introduce about yourself, your studies, hometown, and presently what you're doing?
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Hi, ma'am. My name is Kiran. I am from Pillar. I completed my schooling and intermediate in my home village only. It is in Pillar. After that, I joined in civil engineering BTech in Puttur. After completion of BTech, I done a project on assessment of diaphragm from textile units. After completion of BTech, I went to Bangalore and I joined in CMTI. In CMTI, I done on course Advanced Construction Management.
Fine. How did you get to know about CMTI?
My friend joined in my before batch in CMTI.
Okay. So, what and all you learned here, Kiran?
SketchUp and construction department like site visits that and all I done. Quality checking.
Okay, fine. So, coming to your training, in the like site training, how was the site visits and all? Whether it was construction or interiors, both.
Yes, ma'am. I went on both.
You visited both the sites also.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So, what about CMTI app, Kiran? How did that help you?
Uh, After getting a job, I done on an app only. It is so useful for being a civil engineer. Through that, I get a knowledge on cut list and designing parts and all.
Okay, fine. So, what about CMTI staffs and all, Kiran?
Yes, ma'am. It is very good and jovial, friendly, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So, what about your trainer Natarajan sir, and how was Ashok sir career guidance and interview guidance and all?
Natarajan sir is very knowledgeable and talented. He has much knowledge about on construction department.
Okay. Finally, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors, Kiran?
It is a very good platform to get a job and knowledge on civil side. In college days, they teach about just knowledge. Here, they gave one knowledge and practical experience also. It is good to join in same time.
Thank you, Kiran. Thank you so much for your feedback. All the best for your future. And once again, congratulations for your placements. Thank you so much, Kiran.
Thank you, ma'am.